brilliant. Hey guys, so I have just finished work and now have the afternoon off, which is really exciting. So I'm gonna get some food in the galley. Say hey, Bunny. Yeah, I'm gonna get some food. Really hungry, so really excited. So we've got the quinoa salad and the Greek salad, and now I'm going to mix them together. Well, that lunch was amazing. I am absolutely stuffed. But I would recommend, if you come on board, definitely get the Greek salad and the quinoa salad and mix them together because they're a lovely combination. Now I have the afternoon off, which is very, very exciting. And it just so happens that the Folk Tales, which is a band on board, are doing a performance. So I'm going to go and watch them. That show was absolutely fantastic. What a great start to my afternoon off. I've just got changed, believe it or not. I've put this back on. I swear to God, I wear this everywhere. And now I'm going to go to the gym because I haven't actually been to the gym yet. I've either worked out like on the balcony or outside. So let's go and try out the gym, guys. We'll go in here first. Burn and bike.
First time I met you, didn't have a clue what you mean to me. Best friend from the start, always had my heart, but now it loves you differently. You came in at the right time, baby, you have changed my life. Everything I do, I want you there. And people come and people go, but it don't matter, 'cause I know as long as I have you, then I don't care. Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like.
Okay, all done. Since it's such a lovely day, I'm actually going to go and sunbathe on Richard's rooftop and just make the most of having this time off, because it's not very often that we get it.
I know you said it in the heat of the moment, but did you say what you mean? Yeah. Your face turned bright red and your body was frozen. Think I could hear your heart beating out your chest, and your sweat and your palms just won't rest. For a second you'll regret it, almost wanna take it back, but it's too late 'cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no. Baby, it ain't just you. I feel it too. I know this feeling's
I'll tell you what, I'm knackered now. Like, don't you find the sun just takes it out of you? I could sleep for hours, but I'm not going to. I want to make the most of my afternoon, want to make the most of having this time, so I'm going to edit some videos.
I just wanna feel comfortable in my own skin. In my mind, false visions conquer the world I'm in. Obsessed with feeling beautiful, something my mind just won't fulfill. Mascara crawls down my face as I write this. Sitting here naked, wishing I could stop it. But why do I let myself get like this? I'm sorry I ever felt like this. I was built from scratch, now I'm crumpled up. I've tried my best.
I didn't mean to fall asleep for that long.
Like pinkies crossed, I broke my promise. This flood of tears, 'cause we made way. Maybe I would think I look okay.
Well, that was unexpected, but I guess needed. And I did get some editing done, so it's not all bad. I am going out with a few friends tonight for a little drink, which is lovely, so I better start getting ready.
Think of all the times you felt truly happy. Do I make you feel that way? Look into my eyes, there's no use in hiding. I feel all the butterflies.
Okay, bar here I come. No makeup, baggy t-shirt on. Absolutely no effort made. But we are out at sea, the bar is outside, so it's going to be windy. So in the past, like, I have dressed up and put like a nice dress on for crew bar, and then I get there and just freeze. So I'm just going to do what everyone else does and put my coat on and my hat.
Do you feel the spark? Everything's igniting. Fatal blows straight to the heart. Oh, I won't apologize. I can barely focus. So gladly leave this world behind.
I've just got back. That was such a lovely evening and I've had such a nice afternoon off. I feel so well rested and like ready for work tomorrow. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video, as I always do. If you have any suggestions or questions, you can let me know in the comments down below, or you can DM me over on Instagram at cruisinguscrew. But thank you for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day and I will see you in the next video, guys. Night.